Creating an inviting and comfortable atmosphere in a dental office requires significant time, effort, and resources. The overall patient experience is equally important in determining patient satisfaction and the practice's success. How dental offices use technology can be vital in setting the tone for a patient's experience. A positive first impression can have a significant impact. One way to achieve this is by installing televisions with flat screen mounts throughout your dental office, which can distract anxious patients or alleviate frustration caused by waiting times. Some key questions to consider when installing televisions in your dental office include the following. What type of content will be shown on the television? Do you plan to show educational videos about dental health, display the news and weather, or play music? Where will the televisions be placed? How will the televisions be mounted? How will the sound be controlled? While televisions can be a useful addition to any modern dental office, it's essential to consider all aspects of their installation carefully and use it to ensure they enhance the patient experience and align with the practice's overall goals. Nova Computer Solutions are experts in providing technology solutions to dental offices. Our team can assist with all your dental clinic technology, including how you best utilize televisions throughout your dental office. Reach out to your dental technology team at Nova Computer Solutions to discover more about our technology services for your dental clinic.